Well going guys, it's your girl Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the last day here in St. Vincent. I'm a little bit sad that things didn't work out as expected, but I will say that with traveling comes with experiences like this, and all I gotta do is learn from it, grow from it, and move on. I've definitely learned from this trip, and it's not gonna stop here traveling wise. I'm still gonna travel to different countries, explore, try new things, try new food, and yeah, I'm still grateful no matter what. So because today is the last day, I didn't want to really stay home, so I'm gonna take you guys to a falls called Darkview Falls, and it is a very popular falls here in St. Vincent. It's on the leeward side, and it's pretty easy to find on the GPS. So we're gonna head there today just to wash off, well, a vibe, cool off. I feel like I haven't really gotten a proper wash off, so I'm excited to actually go there and just hold the vibe there. So yeah. Yep. Jesus. Red way ya bungs. Oh. Alright, this a bunks boy. Alright, so we made it to the first falls. This is more of the touristy falls, so we're not gonna stop here. We are heading to the real falls, Darkview Falls, straight up top. It's not much of a hike, but I wanted to show you guys. So this is my second fall, so yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna reach like probably 10-15 minutes. So yeah, just stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so this is Tequila. He's taking us to Darkview Falls.
Yes man, welcome to the beautiful Darkview Falls. I'm here with the sweet Tiffany from JA Jamaica, and I'll be joining her next week in Jamaica. So look out for me. I'm coming to eat some ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, same thing with him saying.
But you should go with your hands in the pond, Walk in the pond and go with your hands.
Where are we going? Up there?
You're going up there, yeah. Go this way. Yeah, stay there. It's easier. If you're going.
Yeah, I'm good. It's like a 5-minute hike. Alright guys, so that hike was like 5 minutes. Pretty short. But we have arrived. It's blacky? No. Smell nice.
Like a kitchen.
Smell nice. Tequila water, some
Yeah,
mangoes.
man.
It was an easy hike, but the view is amazing. Where is this go? Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst is ready to be a rock in the hills. Remembers a poison flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right. Must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know.
This is nice, clean debris from out of the volcano, mixed with ash and everything. Some people call it Rabaka stuff. Comes down to the main veins on the countryside, to an area called the Rabaka. And we build our houses with it. That's why our houses are so strong. But today this is good for exfoliating your heels and your legs. You just scrub it. Your heel a good scrub, man. Smooth like silk.
Hi, tell them hi. Okay guys, this is Kaya. She came with Tequila. So me, Kaya, Tequila and Raj around there. We're here at this beautiful falls called Dark View Falls. And we're gonna jump in. Not in. Rocky drop. Yep, hurt yourself. It's so heavy.
Watch me. Open it. Just take your time. They're kind of sharp. Be careful. Wicked spot. I want to show us all the people. Everybody has some square. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Nice. I see you, Jed, man. Shot them for you too. Yeah, soda black girl. Shake it, Matty.
You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. So you can drink the water because it's clear, it's clean. Good. Clean. Now what's your hair? What's your hair? I definitely feel refreshed. Yo, that was so awesome. It's like every tour I've been on, I've seen pineapple. Look. They bought pineapple. Hey. Darkview Falls have a vibe. I think it's a vibe, man. Okay guys, we're gonna peel pineapple.
The knife pencil, the knife careful pot butter.
This?
You want sharp. You just forget everything.
Alright. Okay, yeah, I feel it. Go and make it work.
Everything me has sweet. Everything me has sweet.
Sweet. No man, this dull. Whew. Come bad. Bone tequila. Alright. Every trip I've been on, I've gotten pineapple, so I'm appreciative of that. Knife dull, so kinda difficult. Not knife. Too dull, man. I did that first. It's sharp, man.
Yeah. Natural yardy.
Sweet. Ooh. When I'm in Jamaica, I'm always have pineapple. And him always have flatten.
Planted?
Yeah.
About 3 feet.
So we just left the waterfall. As you can see, we didn't really do much. The hike was pretty short. It was a 5-10 minute hike. There wasn't much to do at the falls because it wasn't deep, but I really enjoyed the waterfall itself. It's really the simple things sometimes, and it's actually one of the best falls I've been to since being in St. Vincent. But it's only been 2 waterfalls now, so yeah, it's the best one out of the other one that I went to. The other one was Will Be Free. This is the best one. It's pretty cool and natural, and the sun is on your face and it does feel nice. But right now we cook some food back at the Airbnb, so I'll see you guys there. Now we're back, and I wanted to cook something, but when I looked in the fridge coming home, I saw that there was only saltfish, sweet potato, pasta, and plantain. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I did not think this through. I don't know why in my mind I have food here. I don't know if it's because I'm so used to being in Jamaica and having unlimited food, but this is all I have. So I'm a little nervous right now. But I'm gonna work something out. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So this is what I'm gonna do first. I'm going to boil the saltfish so I can get that out of the way, because I obviously have to do that. So let me just grab this. Just washing off the salt before I put it in the pot. Just let that boil. I don't have all the ingredients, and I have 1 pepper. Oh my god. So yeah, that's the seasoning right there. Fish. And we got the garlic. So glad they have garlic here. It's not gonna be hot. But it's already cooked. So on these now. What I'm gonna do is cover it for like 5-10 minutes so everything can just soak in nice, and then come back to it. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little pasta mix with the macaroni here. So I have some mayo. Okay, let's try. Nice. Alright guys, there we have it, some saltfish with sweet potato and pasta. Yeah, let's try it. Alright, let me see if if the saltfish too salt. Kind of salt. It is a sweet potato. It's not what I expected, but it can go on. And then the pasta. Hey guys, so we just left St. Vincent a couple hours ago. We're currently in Trinidad right now. We're gonna be staying here for 24 hours, then we go back to Jamaica tomorrow. But yes, that's the end of the St. Vincent journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little short videos that I did. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide.